Good day all. This video is all about what is happening all over Nigeria, mostly Lagos, in the north, and even to our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This particular video, I want to tell all the Igbo politicians, if you are listening to me, if you get this message, if you know any Igbo politician or any Igbo notable Igbo person, send this video. Let them listen to what I have to say. Can you see the destruction of buildings in every corners in Lagos? All the destructions are based on Igbo people. Can you see it? You that belongs to APC or PDP or any party that you belong to, but you are an Igbo person, you are being partisan. Can you see the destruction happening to your people? Their hard-earned money, their sweat. Can you see it? In everywhere you are making your politics, whether you belong to Kwankwaso, you belong to Labour Party, you belong to PDP or APC, can you see the hatred against the Igbos? For many years, for more than 50 years, this is an underground plan against the Igbo people. And that is the reason why Mazi Nnamdi came up. Nnamdi Kanu came up not because he hates Nigeria so badly. Simon Ekpa, he did not come up because he hates Nigeria so badly. After all, he was in Nigeria. But could you people see the reason why they came up and started talking whatever you think they have said? You can see it or not. Iburu onye Igbo ọbụna ebe ọbụna ọsọrọ gị nọrọ ihure mee gị iwe onye politics. I will mention these names because I can't keep these names. These names are the names that I feel they are the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. I can't forget saying it. Number one, I'm going to mention Joe Igbokwe. I'm going to mention Charles Soludo. I will mention Hope Uzodimma. I will say Dave Umahi. I will say Nwike. I will equally say Ojuzo Kanu, brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are from the same state. In fact, they are close neighbors if they are not very related. You see what is happening every day. I told you guys that Yoruba is our problem. It may not really be not, because Yorubas are known to be pronounced saboteurs. That's what they are. You see the hatred they have against the Igbos. We are not dragging anything. We have never done any business and we didn't conclude it with these Yorubas. And we have had nothing in common. Just that Lagos was made a capital from Calabar to Lagos. And everybody had to go to state capital. I mean, country capital like Abuja. You can see everybody now is in Abuja, including them, the politicians. They are all in Abuja. That was the way everybody was in Lagos. You know, people want to go to where federal government presence is there so that they will be covered with the umbrella of the federal government so that everything can be looked after. Like, there must be a light, at least in capital, you know, and people take that advantage to go there and develop themselves. It is not a crime that Igbos went to Lagos. Not that they want to go to Lagos. Lagos is never better than Anambra State. Lagos is not better than Abia State. What are we shouting? Federal government should put a seaport in the east and also allow every other thing that is in Lagos to be in other places. Let us see why an Igbo man should be in Lagos. You see how they are destroying Igbo businesses, Igbo buildings and houses, and secretly attacking Igbos everywhere. I will say shame to all these men I've mentioned. I've mentioned Joe Igbokwe, I mentioned Soludo, I mentioned Hope Uzodimma, I mentioned Dave Umahi, I mentioned Nwike, and I mentioned Ojuzo Kanu. Every day, Hope Uzodimma will go and wave Tinubu bye-bye, fixing his head just on politics. I don't know what Hope Uzodimma wants that he has not achieved. I don't know that. I don't know what Ojuzo Kanu wants that he does not have. Is it Nwike? Is it Soludo? I don't know what all these guys are what they want. But they keep watching and things are going astray. Sit at home in the East, it doesn't favor anybody. But why is it that it's sit at home in the East? People, out of love, out of sympathy for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for holding him hostage for a very long time, people are not happy. People are not forced to sit at home. People voluntarily decide to sit at home. But the problem is these men who swore that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must not be released. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did nothing known by law, nothing wrong, nothing against the law, nothing. If you see someone that has committed a crime, convict him now, put a verdict on him, and let the lawyer stress it and find him guilty. Upon all the things labeled against him, he has not been found guilty. And the Igbo people are watching their brother is in detention. Is it proper? There is one useless one, they call it Jele, moving up and down, somebody of Webu, useless guy, sick. He's a very sick boy. He's moving all over, talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not owing you. He's not owing you. If he's owing you, I've said this in my video before, go and approach his brother that Nnamdi is owing me $1 million. I need my money. They will look for your money and give you. You move up and down, disgracing yourself and your generation. Your generation is gone. Your family is gone. You don't know what you are doing. I mean, Ijele. You don't know what you are doing. And all these men I mentioned, your generations, after you, your generation is gone. Somebody like Charles Soludo will never have a generation. After him, his family is gone. Gone, I mean gone. Ozodimma, the same thing. Dave Umahi, the same thing. Wike is gone completely. If you like, let him parade all his children. His generation is gone after him. No matter how much he has kept for them. Ojus Okano is already finished. Ojus Okano, Tunumbu asked him what is happening in Abia State. He doesn't like it. He wants Abia State to leave the good work they are doing and join useless APC so that you people will rubbish everywhere. Is that not what you want? Okezi Bazuru the place, nothing. Theodoji, Ojus Okano, nothing. And this man came trying to lift his people from dust. And you guys are saying you don't like what is happening. Enough is enough. I know you guys hate Igbo people. And here oge ndị Igbo geju mara onwe ha. Obro politics, Dave Umahi, I'm not going to this thing. Soludo, Hope Uzodimma, also no mecha politics, APC asikwa nka ose onka. At the end of the day, you are an Igbo man, and then they are porogo hate yegi, pogo ugo, leke si akutu isi ulo umunne unu. Tara afufu wee ruo hustle wee rucha and appear to see for no reason. And tomorrow Haga beg with that they want one Nigeria. We have new Nigeria. Is it how to get one new Nigeria that an Igbo man cannot own a plaza in Lagos? They destroy everywhere in trade fair. Are you not seeing it? Is that how to have one Nigeria? That is why I say that Nigeria can never be one. And I personally do not believe in one Nigeria. Even life and death, I don't believe in one Nigeria. And one Nigeria can never work. It will not work. I said it. Yes. How can you people be watching your brothers, their businesses are being destroyed and you are happy about it? All you people are talking about is APC politics. And the politics, not that you have anything to offer in the politics you are doing. Nothing. Only to go and do boy. I don't want to talk too much. I think enough is enough. This is the right time the Igbo people should exactly know what they have to do. And they have to move very, very fast. The Yorubas are putting their fingers directly in our eyes. And they're asking us, what can we do? I think we know what we can do. And I think we are capable of doing anything we know how to do. I think we have to start to strategize. Anyhow they want it. Anyhow. Any form. After all, these idiot Yorubas and any MPs in the rivers, most of them are working there. All of them will have to leave that place in due time. I rest my case here.